True.
Let's see here. 90 degrees was the high today. That's pretty good. 97 is the norm. The record was 108 set back in 2012, so we're doing okay today. We had a little bit of rain too. DFW, it's 87 right now. Feels like 94 when you factor in the humidity. And, across the country, there's the remnants of Debbie into New England. Still some showers and storms, a lot of cloud cover in the central part of the U.S. where it's in the low 60s in parts of Kansas. Back here, we're just getting a nice break from the triple digits. It's brief, but it's something. And the scattered rain chances are now to the southwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Later tonight, we'll watch for another chance for some spotty showers and storms, primarily north of Dallas and Tarrant counties early Saturday morning. Just some scattered light rain, maybe a thunderstorm or two, but overall the coverage very low. Late Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, another chance for scattered showers and storms, mainly southwest of the Metroplex. You know, there could be a little bit of rain in eastern portions of North Texas and East Texas, but the better chance Saturday afternoon and evening will be in this area, just like we're seeing tonight. And then overnight Saturday is quiet, another little chance of rain in Northeast Texas Sunday morning. Temperature-wise, tomorrow's another little bit of a break. 95 in Dallas, 95 in Fort Worth, 94 in Waxahachie. We'll go 96 at DFW, 99 on Sunday. And yes, it's going to be a little bit humid, so it will feel like 100 to 103, somewhere in that range this weekend. Then here it is, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're back 100 to 102 through Wednesday, even up to 103, which is the hottest temperature we've seen so far this year. That was yesterday and the day before. Heat index values likely in the heat advisory category, or that range. So I would say that we'll start to see those two pop up. And a reminder, we are watching the tropics. There's an area of disturbed weather in the Atlantic, 60% chance of formation, and it would become Ernesto. Possibly the Caribbean, maybe north, maybe even north of Hispaniola, but near the Windward Islands. We'll keep an eye on this as it tracks westward. And I was saying earlier, you know, looking at the latest data, it's too early to start calling out tracks for this because it hasn't really formed yet. However, if you look at the latest data, there's at least some good agreement in the global models that this one is likely to stay, you know, perhaps from the Florida coast up to the southeast or even farther east. So, you know, better chance for here, a much lower chance for it to enter the Gulf of Mexico. We're watching it. It's something to keep an eye on over the next week. Tonight, 77, just partly cloudy, warm and muggy with light winds. Tomorrow, 96, an isolated shower or storm, hot and humid. Not too bad, though, for this time of the year. There it is, 100 degrees plus for most of the next 14 days as kids go back to school next week. Sorry, kids. I know how bad that feels. I remember 101 Tuesday, 102 Wednesday, a little chance of rain on Thursday, but you know, this is, you know, that's just the typical August weather that we're expecting. No big surprises here. And just a reminder, and I said earlier, Thursday, August 15th, that's when the normal high begins going down. So, you know, we're kind of on this, we're kind of at the apex here. We're going to start going down soon.
Yeah. That's exciting. Doesn't mean that we couldn't have another 100-degree day far after that, but it just typically starts to get slightly cooler.
The farther and farther away you get from that date, the less likely it becomes. So it doesn't mean it's, you know, we know it's Texas, it's going to happen, but we're moving in the right way.
But we like it.
We like it.
All right.